Hey Stunning Fam, this is Sarah back with another DIY video. Today we are posting a table saw workbench that has been sitting in our queue for 3 years. I know, a really long time. We decided to use some older videos the past few weeks because life has been crazy with my husband and I recently moving to a new state. If you search Ryobi Chop Saw Workbench on our channel, you will see the workbench that sits next to this one in Michelle's workshop. We won't be describing all of the logistics of the project steps for this particular workbench, but we do encourage you to follow along to get some inspiration.